My dad's in the background complaining about me throwing away a paper towel that he could have used again.
Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. I know that I look insane right now. I wanted to do this video for you guys this week because I actually thought it was pretty interesting and just kind of to see how it was gonna work. Today's video I decided I was going to try aloe vera as a hair mask. My initial idea was to use aloe vera for like 5 days on my skin, but I am doing a Curology review coming up, so I didn't want to apply the aloe vera to my skin and kind of like taint the whole thing. I decided I'm gonna try and apply the aloe vera to my hair and see if it's gonna make a difference because it's been so hot in Florida, it's ridiculous, and in a lot of humidity. I literally had to change up my hair routine because the humidity was just like, she did not come to play no games. She's sucking all of the moisture out of my hair. My hair has been so dry, so brittle. Just being blonde already leaves it very dry, so she's going through it right now. I'm gonna apply the aloe vera and we're gonna see how it does. Hopefully it's gonna make a difference. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. I upload videos every Sunday. YouTube is being a complicated girl, so you guys don't always see my videos when I upload them, so make sure to turn on that bell notification. It'll send you a notification every time I upload to your phone, to your computer, whatever you have YouTube signed in on, and it'll let you know when I've uploaded so that you can see everything that I'm posting. Let's get started on this video so we don't waste any more time. So I'm taking an aloe vera leaf that I had in the refrigerator and I'm cutting the ugly end off of it and then cutting a section, and then out of that section I'm cutting those ends off that literally feel like they're about to like slice your palm open, and I'm gonna cut it in half so that I have two pieces that I can use to apply to my hair. You're gonna see that I was sectioning it off at one point, but like about 10 seconds later I got really lazy and I just applied it to the rest of my hair, so ignore me sectioning it off like a hair guru. I just continue to apply it, and you'll notice that like the leaf will start to become dry, so if you just poke your nail in, it'll start to let out more juices, and that way you can use only 2 leaves.
My hair has been breaking off faster than Bella Thorne's relationships. Like, it's been going. I'm trying to moisturize it because it's just so dry. Just to be safe, I want to go cut another one and add it in just so like I'm comfortable knowing that it's completely saturated, but you could do those 2 leaves if you wanted to. I cut another small piece like this and I'm just gonna further saturate the rest of my hair. It's so funny because somebody was watching one of my Afro-G treatment videos that I had done, and I had the treatment all over my face, and they were like,
is she Afro treatmenting her face or her hair?
And right now I'm having flashbacks of the first time I used the Afro-G treatment because this stuff is like all over my face, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get one of those.
Is she aloe veraing her face or her hair?
Both, sweetie. We do 2-in-1s in this house.
Okay, so I would say that my hair is pretty much fully saturated at this point. My hair is actually getting pretty long, you guys, which that's another review that I have coming up because I have been using a product to help my hair grow, and I will tell you guys, I do feel like it is making a difference. My hair is literally, it's just breaking off. Like, it's so bad right now. It's shedding like crazy, partially due from heat damage and partially from bleach damage from the dye job that I got done, which I will not be returning to. I'm gonna do it the Dominican style, and I'm gonna go get a plastic grocery bag, wrap my hair up in that, and leave this in for 30 minutes, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm done letting it sit, and then we'll go rinse it out. Alright you guys, it has been about 30 minutes. I went and had me a hot dog, watched some YouTube. So we're getting ready to take this off. See? It feels really soft. It does feel more moisturized. I know some people actually like leave this in their hair as a styler. To me it smells like stank armpits, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wash this out, style it, and I will come back to you guys when my hair is completely styled. Okay, so I just got out the shower and I finished styling my hair and everything. I just washed my hair with the Diva Curl conditioner, but for some reason I found the aloe vera was like kind of drying while I was washing it out. Not like drying up, but it was like, it felt like my hair was dry when I was washing it out. And in my opinion, the Diva Curl conditioner just doesn't condition that well. The slip on it is really great, but it's not like a heavy duty conditioner like the Aussie 3 times moisture thing. So I added a hair mask like along with conditioning. It was a placenta hair moisture mask. I'll have a picture uploaded on the side. And I styled with the curl enhancing smoothie, which if you watched my curly hair routine, which I'll have linked up here, but if you watched that, you guys know that I had taken this out of my curly hair routine and I have now added it back in because of the humidity and my hair really needs some moisture again. So pretty much just the basics from my curly hair routine, which is the Marc Anthony Strictly curls and the Miss Jessie's gel, and then that was it. So we're gonna see. I feel like it is doing pretty good. I didn't notice anything dramatic like, oh my god, my hair feels amazing or whatever. I do have to say though that it does feel thicker while I was washing it. It felt like there was more hair. Normally, maybe it's just like it wasn't absorbing water as well, I don't know. But it did feel thicker, like the hair strands were probably more moisturized, so they had expanded. I will say that. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry, which is probably gonna take about 4 to 5 hours since I am air drying it. And I will come back to you guys when it is completely air dry.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it is about 5 hours later. My hair is completely dried. I do have to say that it looks, guys, it's like so defined. Like, my curls are super shiny, super defined. For considering like the damage that I have on my hair from the dye job and like the heat styling that I've done, it looks really good. My hair naturally doesn't have very much volume, so I wanted to show you guys what it was looking like as I got out of the shower after it's like finished air drying and everything. And then I'm gonna fluff it out. It's gonna get some frizz involved in it because that's what happens. Power of volume. Like, look at this compared to this. Wow. Alright you guys, the gel casting has been broken. My hair has been fluffed out. It is all big and nice. This is first day hair, so definitely by the next couple days it will get bigger. But I am genuinely so impressed with how this turned out, you guys. Like, honestly, I feel like it has made a big difference. I was not thinking that it was going to make that big of a difference when I was starting it, but now that it has dried, it has been styled, I really feel like it moisturized my hair so good, because I'm telling you guys, my hair was so dry. It was bad. So I would definitely suggest picking up some aloe vera and trying it out, because when I tell you guys, like, woo! And for $1.75, like, that's how much, because I picked mine up at Sedano's. So for $1.75 for some aloe vera that you can use twice, it is highly worth it. Way cheaper than any other hair mask that you can purchase. And to me, it does great. I'm really excited to see what it's going to do for my skin. So make sure you guys hit that bell button so you are notified whenever I upload videos, so you can stay tuned for that little series coming up. I kind of want to do like trying out different aloe vera things. I don't know. We'll see about that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. I upload videos every single Sunday, so there will always be something here when you come and check once a week. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know if you are gonna try this out and how it did. If you did try it out, how it did on your hair, because I genuinely want to know, and everyone's hair is different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Really need to cut this piece off. I'm literally scissor happy. It's disgusting. I can't stop. That's why my hair has been the same length for like 2 years.